Go.
Hello everyone, it's me, Zeta. Thank you for coming back to my channel, and if you're new here, well, I'm also new to YouTube, so welcome. So today we will be doing 4 DIYs, because during this quarantine, you may have a lot of things just sitting around your house that you wanna put to good use. So we have ideas. Yes, and you might be able to see I'm a cowboy. Yes, I am a Cowboys fan, but I love every football team because behind a helmet there's a human. Okay, so first I will be teaching you guys how to use these rub-on stickers. I just kept on rubbing and then my hand slipped and I thought I ripped it off, but no, it's perfect. And it's perfect and it's on. This is my little hand sanitizer that I made. If you guys want to check out that video, I'll put it right there. Okay. So I just want to teach you guys how to use that because for our next DIY, we'll be using the stickers again. So on to the next one. First, I want to, and I just want to preface by saying, the only reason that I will be needing scissors is to open packaging, and I won't be needing scissors for like cutting like actual things, just opening packaging. And also, if you're very young and you need to use scissors for any DIY, I'm just saying, any DIY of my videos or any other videos, I would really advise supervision, because I was really young when I started to do DIYs, and when you gotta do things by yourself, you gotta DIY. So okay. So first we're gonna start off with, we're gonna include that guy in the little rock. We're gonna start off with our gem beads, and we're gonna put the beads right here and right here. We're gonna use like a pack of these for like a slipper. Okay, we're gonna need gloves. I got gloves now because super glue will hurt you. I learned that. I also rhyme because we're learning about poetry in school or virtual school. So yeah. of the gems. So not the whole finished product because, you know, yeah, okay. I mean, but if you want to leave it like this, you can. From afar, it still look good. This is my first time. It's actually my first time ever DIYing some sandals, so this is actually, you know, we have completed the sides. Beautiful. We used 4 strips, but we needed like 3 more beads or gems from the gold, which you can barely even tell where they are. If you put them in like the most random places, then no one can really tell the color's different. But I was just putting that in for you guys. But there's more to do. Okay. So our rub-on stickers. Poor y'all. See, the stickers that I got came like this. You can see hot glue on my hands because I had to take one glove off. But they came like this, which means that one's colored and one's not colored. I just think that you could add so much color into your life, but you can still find beauty in what's not, and what doesn't have color. Ooh, Santa be preaching today. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna put you to the side. We're gonna start with the color for one. I feel like we can make a beach right here with cactuses growing out of it, like with basically sand, because the cactuses don't grow in sand, they grow in deserts, and like then an ocean over here, and like a sun over there. Okay, let's go. We should start. I'm gonna paint it first, because I think they can go on top. We're going to use this color I made. Sand. I think it's a nice sandy color. That's the best I could do actually right now. what we look like, and this is what we're going to add more of. We're gonna add some of this blue color. That's the sky. I'm just gonna do that right there because maybe. See, I've blended what I can blend. Do, 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 do.
Now let's cut it off and come back when you finish with it, okay?
Okay. Well, I was in the middle of my creative process. Yes, and I added some color. See, when y'all left, I had only done one, but now I got two. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Two. So, I also decided to add some sand particles, some waves, and some clouds. I mean, it's kind of dry, but we'll show you guys what it looks like when it's dry. And I'm gonna try to see if putting Mod Podge on it at the end actually preserves it a little bit. So, because I have the Mod Podge right here, which I almost got confused with white paint. You know, first we had to let it dry. So it's majority dry. It's just a couple of wet spots. Do, 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 do. Ooh. Okay, this one is acrobatic. It wants to do acrobats. Woo! Okay, so you gonna flip again? I don't think it wants to flip again. But yeah, so you can see it's still kind of wet, but something else is different. Our sun is gone. The reason our sun is gone is because I kind of thought they would look better with it just being a plain blue sky, and because it turned out better this way. So now we have to add our rub-on stickers. Okay, so if you see, everything is trying to be acrobatic. If you guys saw that fly, acrobats. Okay, so we have this boy over here and this girl over here. I would say she's a girl because she has that little bellish thing on this, which is colorful pink. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna add more stickers. Okay, now these two. So we're gonna put these closer to the ground because it's actually gonna grow out of the ground. Here, our beautiful creator is doing her artistic process and putting on some Mod Podge. Yes, Mod Podge. I really think that I did a good job. For my first time making slippers, I think I did a really good job. And I know, like some people might be like, I'm doing a good job, but you know, you always gotta give yourself credit, which is something I have a hard time with sometimes. But I think that me and you make an awesome team. Thank you, YouTube. So this is our finished product after I put the Mod Podge on. You can probably see it's a little shiny. I can see from over here. And I put my initials right there, ZL, because my real name is Zeta Lotula, but my YouTube name is Zeta Love, so the initials are the same. So thank you for watching this video. please like and subscribe. This is, after all, a new channel which we are hoping to grow. Till next time.